Hello Ryker owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our passenger backrest for Can-Am Rykers that are equipped with the optional Max Mount. Now, if you plan on riding with the passenger, then I would highly recommend riding with the passenger backrest, since it not only provides your passenger with back support, but also provides a safety element. Which is why we partnered up with the guys over at Spyder Extras to bring you this. This backrest features a dense foam pad that measures in at 13 inches wide by 6 inches tall, and features integrated risers that bring the backrest to an overall height of 11 inches tall once mounted in place. The overall dimensions on this backrest provide your passenger with ample back support so that they'll enjoy that next road trip without having to worry about getting thrown off the back. Installation could not be any easier since it comes pre-assembled and simply attaches to the underside of the BRP Max Mount with the 4 screws provided in the kit. So to install, simply line up the 4 holes underneath the passenger seat with the 4 holes on the backrest. Add the 4 screws finger tight for now, and then tighten them down evenly with a 10mm socket, making sure not to over tighten. So if passenger safety and comfort is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a passenger backrest for your Ryker. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.